Hello everyone, today I'm going to share SAS University Edition, how to calculate the count and the frequency. Let's go. First, let's see what the data looks like. We click the libraries, My Libraries, SAS Help folder. We double click the cars. Here we can see the cars dataset have 15 columns and 428 rows. We have the make, model, type, origin, drivetrain, and the price, and so on. Here I'm interested in calculate how many records in make, model, type, and origin. How many makes in the origin, and how many times in each make. Here is the code. The proc_freq is the calculate frequency procedure. Data equal to sashelp.cars. Sashelp is the library name and cars is the dataset name. And tables make, type, origin, drivetrain will calculate how many records in each make, in each type, in each origin, in each drivetrain, and how many records in each origin and in each make combined together, and how many records in each make and in each type combined together. No row means no row percentage will be calculated. No col means no column percentage will be calculated. No PCT means no total percentage will be calculated. No cum means no cumulative percentage will be calculated. So first, let's see the results. We have a table for make, how many records for each make. For example, there are 7 records for Acura and 19 records for Audi. And then we have a table for type. For each type, we have the frequency. For example, we have 3 records for hybrid, 60 records for SUV. And then we have an origin table. We have 3 origin, Asia, Europe, and USA. We have 158 records for Asia origin. And then we have a table for drivetrain. We have 3 types of drivetrain. Then we have a drivetrain table. We have 3 types, all front or rear. We have 92 records for all drivetrain. And then we have a table. This table is tables origin times make. So for each row is for each origin. So because we have 3 origins, we have 3 origins here. And the SAS also give us a total. And in each origin, we have different make. So for example, originated from Asia, Acura have 7 records. And this value in the table is here, is the frequency or the count of the records. And then we have a table for make times type, is this table. Each row is one make, each row is each make, and each column is each type. So we have Acura total have 7 records. There are 1 record for SUV, 5 records for sedan, and 1 record for sports. So we have each type and then we have a total. In total together is 428 records. Now let's see how about we remove the no row option and see the results. all the single tables that keep the same. But here the table we have, in addition to frequency, we have row percentage. The row percentage is here, it's 4.43. And this is calculated by the count or the number in this cell, 7 divided by the total of this row. 7 divided by 158, we got 4.43%. And same thing for the table below. So for example, for Cura SUV, we have 1. The percentage is use 1 divided by the total of this row. 1 divided by 7 is 14.29. And then we can remove the no call. The single table data same. For this table, we have the column percentage. So the third row is the column percentage. This is calculated by the number in the cell. The count is 7 divided by the total of this column. So 7 divided by 7 is 100%. And here, for example, is 1 divided by the total 60 is the total 60 here is 1.67%. Then we remove the no percent. Here in the single table, we have one extra column. It's called the percent. So it is calculated by the count of each row divided by the total. So 7 divided by total. Oh, we don't have a total here. Okay. So the 7 divided by the total of all the records is 1.64. And here we have the percentage in the second row. So we use 7. So how it calculates this percent? It's use the 7 divided by the total record, 428. We get the 1.164. And then we can remove no cum and remove this slash. We can see we have 2 additional columns. One is called the cumulative frequency. So for example, 7 is accumulated 7, and 7 plus 19 is 26. So all the frequency counted is by the same row plus all the sum of the previous record. And the accumulated percent is calculated by the same way. So for example, the first row is 1.64, and then the second row is 4.44. So 1.64 plus 4.44, we got 6.07%. So in the end, we add together, we got 100% accumulated percentage. And in this table, there's no cumulative percentage or cumulative count in this table, and neither in this table. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Bye.